Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this healthy green goddess salad dressing. This is what I make to eat with all my vegetables and all my salads. It's so simple and delicious and good for you. So what I did was add herbs, that's fresh basil, thyme, and dill, with half an avocado, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of vegan mayonnaise. And then what I did was I used 1 can's worth of aquafaba. So if you don't know, that's 1 can of chickpeas. And then you separate the chickpeas from the juice and use that juice from the can of chickpeas. And then, eat your chickpeas later. Add them to the salad. Okay, and then 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon black garlic powder, And that's it. I think I might have put 2 or 3 cloves of garlic in there as well. Some people don't like raw garlic necessarily, but with or without it, it's really delicious. It's perfect for fresh vegetables. Like I said, I eat this all the time. It's so much better than store-bought. No chemicals, just fresh, raw, vegan. Like always, the full recipe with ingredients and directions is in the description of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Any Reason Vegans. Thanks for watching, guys.